Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much hands. Ooh. I have an awful, garbage, filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. I am so excited. The FedEx guy literally just delivered this. I stopped everything that I was doing because I have been waiting this whole year for this beautiful moment of pure disappointment. And I'm talking about the Beautylish Lucky Box. Okay, first of all, I know Beautylish is upside down. I would flip it the other way, but my address is there and we're not trying to dox ourselves on this channel, okay? Anywhoosies, if you are not familiar with Beautylish Lucky Bag, let me tell you a little bit about it.
Lucky bags are mystery bags of beauty products, plus extra surprises if you're really lucky.
So this bad boy retails for $150. If you want to see my last two reviews of this box, well, I'll make sure to link it up in the corner. Needless to say, when this became available, I got really excited. Now, full disclosure, I did use some Beautylish gift cards for this, so it actually only cost me 30 bucks to open this beautiful box. So let's see what's inside this shit. So this is what she looks like when you open her up. In the past, I feel like there was some beautiful wrapping paper. This year, not so much. They're like, 2020 was rough, so enjoy. All right. Here she is. Ooh, all right, I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm fucking excited. All right, so let's open it up. Shut the fuck up. Okay, so get the fuck out of here. Wait a second. I'm such a fucking moron. This is not my Beautylish Lucky Bag. No, this was my fucking... Are you fucking kidding me? This is not my Beautylish Lucky Bag.
2,000 years later.
Hi. This is 2 days later. The box was actually rather big. I figured, let me just take it out of the packaging. This is what I was talking about. So Beautylish has this really beautiful gift wrap paper, whatever, and it's always included in every Lucky Bag. So if we want to read the tag, it says,
Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that has inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's Lucky Bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light.
Very beautiful. Calligraphy by Ayo Yamaguchi. I'm pretty sure I butchered that, and my apologies, but this is beautiful. So we are going to open this up. I'm so excited. Okay, all right. Ready for the disappointment. What is this? What the fuck? Okay. I know what is all this stuff? Oh shit, I got a lot of shit up in this bitch. Okay, so the first thing from a brand called Holofrog. This is a Sun Pea Sacred Sea Brightening Powder Wash. The next thing is from Lena Chew. What is this? Oh shit, what the fuck? That's cute. Oh my God, look at these teeny tiny lipsticks. Oh, they're so pretty, the design. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the embossing in the lipstick bullet is so pretty. I feel like I have heard of this brand. I don't know much about it, but the name sounds vaguely familiar.
What?
Hold my word. Okay. Holy shit. All right, so let's talk about the most non-exciting thing in this whole fucking box, and that's the slip hair thingy. The fuck is this? A scrunchie. All right, I mean, I don't care. This I'm super excited about because I actually really do enjoy this. This is from Good Molecules, and this is the Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. The next thing is from Hourglass, and this is, ooh, Electra. Do I have this shade? I don't know if I have this shade. She love my knife. We don't fuck around today. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know. I have to check if I have this one. I don't think I do though, so that's good. The next thing is from fucking Tom Ford. What the fuck? This is an iQuad. Holy shit, you know what? Yo, this is fucking nuts. Okay, so this is what, oh, that's pretty. Fuck me up. That's like such nice dark goth winter colors. Very perfect for the fucking weird season we're in. I love this. Oh my God. What, bitch? Oh my God, so fucking excited. The next one is from Suny G. And this is the Crease 2. That's super fucking awesome. I love Suny G. Was actually looking to get more of her brushes, so that's fucking perfect. Then we got this thing from Oribe. I never know how to fucking pronounce this thing. This is a hair, body oil, face, body, I don't know. Gold Lust All Over Oil. And then last but certainly not least, oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Really? You gotta be out of your fucking mind. If I just fucking waited, bitch. Okay. Oh, bitch. Oh my God, that's so fucking cute. Oh my God. Okay. The genuine excitement I have right now. So this, oh, you delicious bitch. I have been eyeing this thing for the longest fucking time, right? And I finally picked up the mini one. I regret nothing. It's everything that I thought it was going to be. However, I always thought about getting the bigger one. And now I have it. And what the fuck, bro? Oh my God. So this is, if you don't know what this is the Film Star Bronze and Glow. And this is for light medium. And it also comes, oh my God, with this teeny tiny little brush. How fucking cute. Oh my God. The brush actually feels quite lovely. This is fucking adorable. I'm assuming this must have been for holiday at one point, right? It feels like holiday packaging. But anyway, let's add this shit up. Okay, so I'm on the Beautylish website. Let's start with the Charlotte Tilbury. This retails for about $75. They do have a version of this on their website. It's just not in this really pretty blue packaging, which makes me think that this is definitely from maybe not this past holiday, but the holiday before it. In any case, I don't fucking care. This is great. I'm excited to have it. Maybe 2021's not gonna be so bad after all. Thank you, Beautylish. So this is the Suny Sacred Sea Brightening Powder. Reveals smoother, brighter skin with Holofrog's Suny Sacred Sea Brightening Power Wash. With a water-activated powder formula, the brightening cleanser is highly concentrated yet gentle enough for sensitive skin. A unique blend of enzymes, antioxidants, blah, 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 blah. So this kind of sounds like the rice wash from Tatcha. So I am excited. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's definitely cocaine for sure. Ooh. Anyway, so this guy retails for about $44. I have never heard anything good or bad about this brand, so I'm intrigued to try it. The next thing is from Good Molecules, and this is the Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. This guy retails for about $18. And these are lovely. I actually received these in PR because I'm on Good Molecules PR, and I do have an affiliate code with them. If you are ever interested in purchasing anything from Good Molecules, feel free to use my code down below. I do make a small kickback with every purchase that is made using that code. With that said, these are really fucking great, especially if you have dry under eyes like myself and you need a little extra help. These are really good to use. It brings a lot of hydration and it just makes the skin look, you know, not so fucking dead. Let's go with the boring one here. This is from Slip. I think this is pretty much a sample size because when I look on the Beautylish website, they only like sell packs of like 5. And the packs of 5 was like $45. So I guess one of these guys retails for about $9, which get the fuck out of here. I'll just buy the black elastic ones and call it a fucking day. But I have heard that silk is really good for your hair. But yeah, no, watch I actually fucking use this and being like, this is the best thing from this box. All right, anyways, that's $9. Let's move that black paper so you could actually see this properly. So this brush retails for about $34. I love Suny G brushes. They are fan-fucking-tastic. And I'm just excited to have something else from this brand in my collection. And so this Suny G brush is dedicated for your crease area. This might be a hair bigger than this. I realize I have like a fucking knife right here. This might be a little bit too big for my crease area, but I'll definitely find a use for it. It's so, I love fucking Suny. I love fucking Suny G. Oh my God, Suny G, I'm so sorry. I love her fucking brushes. Take 2. Yeah, anyway, I love this fucking Suny G brush. It's so good. So the next thing is from Hourglass, and this is the Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade, the fuck was it? Incandescent Electra. So this is described as a cool peach with a champagne pearl blush. Again, let's open this bitch up. Again, I don't think I own this blush. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me check.
2,000 years later.
Yep, it appears that this is actually pretty new to my fucking collection. That is awesome. Super fucking excited. This looks like a beautiful peach color. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Fuck me up. I love that. Okay, I'm excited to have that. What the I still can't even fucking believe I got this. I have it in the quad Badass. This looks so fucking good. Oh my God, hold on. I need to swatch it. I need to swatch, too excited. So this actually looks quite similar to the little Dior palette I picked up for their holiday collection. If you wanna see if you wanna see a comparison of the two, let me know and I'll totally do a video about that. Leave number 4 down in the comments so I know. This is fucking nuts. Okay, so this is 88 bucks. Fucking excited. I don't have that many Tom Ford products, so this is, I'm fulfilling my bougie bitch fantasy. Fuck me up. I own 51% of the company. Try me. Okay, so this Oribe, Oribe, whatever the fuck it's called, the Gold Lust All Over Oil, this retails for about $62. And apparently you can just use this in your hair, your body, your face for a luxurious moisture and exceptional radiance. So you know what? I'm actually gonna try this for the face and I'll let y'all know in a future video what I think of it, but I always assumed that their shit was hair care stuff. So the fact that I can shove this shit on my face, fuck me up. Let's see how bad this shit can possibly be. And last but certainly not least, I have Lena Chew, the Great Artist Velvet Matte Mini Lipstick Set. So, kind of least excited about it because it's matte, but hold on, let's see. Ooh, actually feels quite lovely on the skin. Oh, that's matte though. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. Definitely gonna have to try these out. But as soon as I put it on, I could just tell how deliciously matte this is. Texture of it feels very, very creamy. So that's good. That's a fucking plus. The packaging is adorable. Oh my God, I love that. There's a little bit of a sheen to it. So you know what? I have high hopes that maybe this is a comfortable matte lipstick. Fingers fucking crossed. Anyway, so like I mentioned, this set retails for about $55. Okay, so all of this retails for a whopping $425. So this bag retails for $150, but I used a gift card, so I technically only spent $30 in cash. So with that said, the claim of the Lucky Bag is if you purchase the XL, it's $150 USD for over $300 worth of products. Yeah, I could safely say yes. Last year's pretty much set the tone for 2020. I firmly motherfucking believe that. This I'm happy with, I'm excited about. And this would actually make me purchase this again for 2022. So I feel like it's the year of the ox bitch. This is gonna be a good year because Beautylish said so. With that said, let me know down below if you picked up the Lucky Bag and if you got this variation or if you got something different, let me know because I would love hearing from y'all. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. I love your adorable, delicious faces. Thank you so much for keeping this disgusting, filthy, really disgusting, really filthy garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do it without you, and I love your adorable little faces. I'm gonna just eat them right out. If you wanna know what is currently on my nails, that will be listed in the description box below, along with where to get my merch and my podcast. And with that said, I will see you little pumpkins later. Bye. I feel like I'm just tickling your sack. You like that, don't you?